Once you're logged, hello and welcome to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks to make your online experience better. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to change the name of your WhatsApp broadcast on your Android device. WhatsApp broadcast is a useful feature that allows you to send a message to multiple recipients at once. Changing the name of your broadcast can help you identify it more easily and make it more personalized. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, open your broadcast by tapping on it. Next, tap on More Options, which is the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, select Broadcast List Info. This will bring up a screen that displays information about your broadcast. To change the name of your broadcast, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Then select Change Broadcast List Name. Type in the new name you want to give your broadcast, and then tap on OK to save your changes. And that's it. You have successfully changed the name of your WhatsApp broadcast on your Android device. Changing the name of your broadcast can help you identify it more easily and make it more personalized. In case you want to add or remove contacts from your broadcast list, you can do so by tapping on Add Participant or Remove Participant respectively from the broadcast list info screen. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.